Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. The square root of number 4, that is about number 2. So this one, that is about cosine x to the power of 4 over cosine x. And then I will put this one go inside the square root. And you got about cosine x squared. This one we simplify cosine x and cosine x. Next, we have the formula in here. So this one, that is about tan x. This one we can put 1 over cosine x squared and 1 over cosine x squared. So that is about secant of x squared. This one we can transform into tan x squared plus 1. So we can use about interpolation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. This one we change for the u. So u squared divided by the square root of u, that is about number 2 minus 1 over 2. And the second one, so this one, that is about 3 over number 2. And now the integration of this one, that is about u to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1. And the second one, that should be like this. So this one, that is about 5 over 2. And this one, that is about 5 over 2. This one, that is about 1 over 2. This one, that is about 1 over 2. About u, that is about tan x. And this one, that is about tan x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.